Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's inventory management system. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. First, you will have to choose the model you want to keep. To set this up, go to Branch Setup, which you'll find under Restaurant Setup. Next, select the branch you want, click on Edit Details, and you'll find the inventory option there. You'll see that two models are available. Deduct inventory after order confirmation. Deduct inventory when preparing recipe-wise food. Later in this video, we'll explore the first option, where you can see how ingredients are cut after order confirmation. For the second one, check out the recipe management tutorial, where it's explained in detail. Now, let's move forward to inventory setup. For inventory setup, you have to add two things. The first one is the inventory category setup, and the other one is ingredient setup. To create one, simply click on Create Category. Then provide the category name and image. The description is optional here. Now click on the Create button. Next, move forward to the ingredient setup. Now click on the Create New Ingredients. Here, provide the ingredient name, select the category you already created from the drop-down, choose the unit type. Set the low stock level, upload an image, and complete the other necessary steps for setting up an ingredient. Once you've set all the information, you'll be able to see all the details in the list. By clicking on the I button, you can get a quick view of that ingredient. And from the three-dot menu, you can access additional options. Now, let's see how your ingredient cuts from the inventory when using the Deduct Inventory After Confirmation model. In this setup, whenever the restaurant receives and confirms an order, the required ingredients are immediately deducted from the inventory. Suppose you have 50 burger buns in stock and 4,100 grams of fries. Suppose a customer places an order for a burger and masala French fries, and you will confirm the order in the order management system. In that case, the ingredients are automatically deducted from inventory. This works because the inventory model is set to deduct inventory after order confirmation. In the in-out log history, you'll find a complete record of stock updates, including stock in and out, update type, and other related information. Now let's look at how to record purchase ingredients. You need to set up a supplier before recording any ingredient purchase history. You can add a supplier by providing their name, phone number, email, company name, address, and logo. Now you can record the purchase ingredient. To do this, click on Purchase Inventory and then select Purchase Ingredients. By clicking on the search button, you'll see a drop-down list of all the ingredients available in your restaurant. From this list, select the ingredient you want, then edit the quantity, apply any discounts, and add tax or VAT values if applicable. Finally, set the supplier name and complete the purchase record. In the purchase history, you'll find a record of all your purchases along with detailed information. That's it for today. I hope you now clearly understand all the steps of inventory management. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!